Hello guys, welcome back. Um, this is exactly how I trade the crypto market using pairs trading, right? So pairs trading is not just limited to the currency pairs, right? Or the forex market. You can as well trade the crypto market using pairs trading. So I just put an opportunity on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the signal says I should sell okay, capital letter, sell BTC, and okay, let me change the color to red. So I'll be selling Bitcoin and I'll be buying Ethereum, right? So this is the method I use to trade the crypto market. So this is how to invest actually. If you be following me for some time, you will see that I'm very confident when I take my trade, and this is how you should be. Like with your hard-earned money, you should be confident to invest, right? You should be confident to invest your money into trading, right? Um, so there are a lot of things I look out for before taking trade. Number one is the percentage. One of them is the percentage difference, which is the percentage difference of Bitcoin and etc. So in this case, we have plus 247 and minus 70. So I'll be using brackets. Bracket no, bracket minus 70.71. So I'll be if you do the plus and minus between these, you will see that it's still on plus, so it's still on positive. So I'll be taking the trade now because there's timing to this particular type of trade. Not like there's a particular, let's say 1 o'clock or so, but there's a range of time that you must take trade. So I'll be taking the trade now. So this is I took one lot size of Ethereum buy and 0.10 lot size of Bitcoin, right? So in this case, the lot size rule for this is 1 of Ethereum and 0.1 of Bitcoin. So there are a lot of things in the course. When you get the course, you're going to see how the lot size rule work for crypto, right? So for this case, I'm using Ethereum 1 lot size buy and Bitcoin 0.1 lot size sell. So I'll be leaving the trade while I also share with you some other thoughts, right? So like I said, if you check my previous video on when I trade the forex market, you will see that before taking the trade, you will notice the sense or the confidence that I have when I place those trades. And if it's not something that works, you will see that even some persons might not be able to do what I do here live, right? Some person might not be, even the directional trading, which is 50-50. So directional trading is 50-50, right? But this one is, like I said, it is 90% sure. The strategy itself makes it 90% sure. Like I was explaining in the last video, market neutrality as one of the key factors that makes this strategy so special, or makes it an investment, a good approach to invest your money, right? The market neutrality. right? So by market neutrality, for those who are watching this for the very first time, the market neutrality simply means the buying and selling of two correlated and co-integrated, right? Now, not so many people that do say that do trade with this approach. Not so many people per se, but few people who trade best trading, they focus on correlation. But the most important thing isn't correlation, it is co-integration. So we want to look out for um, crypto markets that are co-integrated, right? Everything that you need to know about co-integration is in the course, right? So as you can see, we are still floating on minus 8 point, okay, $10, minus $10. But um trusting the system, trusting yourself, trusting the process, right? So you got to trust the process, you got to trust the system. So if you have used, like me, I've used it many times, I've traded with this approach many times, so I am so confident, like very, very confident. Even though I'm in minus 8, I'm very confident I'm going to close this trade on overall profit. Like I'm even expecting more than um I'm expecting more than um 1 to 5% in this trade. Like my account is around 265, so I'm expecting 1 to 5% in this trade. So like I said, this approach of trading isn't the one that which is um like, because I saw on TikTok the other day where somebody is saying no risk, no Lamborghini. Yes, that is true. You have to take risk, right? There's risk in trading, but not a blind risk. Not trying to you have $100 and you are putting one lot size on on gold, right? And you are stacking plenty position, you are shouting no waste, no Lamborghini. That is foolishness, right? So where did I stop? Well, I was saying something before now, right? So there's I'm saying that we don't flip an account, we don't flip account in a day. Like this strategy doesn't flip accounts in a day, right? But it guarantees between 1 to 10% of your account in a month. So if you can follow me closely, like when you get the course and you follow exactly what I outline on the course, you can be sure that you can make between 1 to 10% of your accounts. So definitely there are some financial institutions who doesn't give one or who doesn't give 10% annually, right? But I'm showing you something that you can actually use to make 1 to 10% annually, I mean monthly, right? So this is how to trade for a living, right? So you have money that you are you don't want to lose, and you want to invest in something very tangible, or you want to trade, right? You are scared of losing your money and you want to trade, even if it is there are some someone said the other day that even if it is $10 in a week, that it is so much is enough money to at least sort out one or two things where why is doing all that other job, right? So this is how it is. So forex trading is not what most of you think, where you will want to buy I do say house or Lamborghini in a day or two, right? So you want to take time to grow your account. You want to take time to learn what, as you are trading, you are learning. You want to take time to uh, do some other things, right? So that is what this strategy is all about, right? So the strategy, I mean the course, if you want to learn, the course is in twofold, right? You can either get the video course, right? So the video course, or you can sign up for one-on-one class with me, right? So anyone that is visible for you, and the video course is in English, right? Is in English. So if you are if you don't understand English, you can subtitle the video, right? So I will also say that the strategy or the course, right? The course is not free. So if you are contacting me, make sure that you are ready to make commitment. You are ready to pay for the course, right? And it's not cheap. So you are going to be getting value for your money, right? So I'll be leaving the trade to run, and I will, once I'm about to close, I will let you know how the trade is going so far. So until then, bye.